Hey y'all, it is taco night in our house, so I thought it would be a great opportunity to show you how I make queso using Velveeta, or in this case the Kroger brand of Velveeta, and then how I water bath it to save some for when we just want to have some chips and dip, or for a snack or whatever. So it's a very simple recipe. I know I say that a lot, but quite frankly I don't like to make difficult recipes. So anyway, it uses 3 ingredients, which is the Velveeta, or the store brand of Velveeta, a can of, in my case I'm using a can of fire roasted rotel tomatoes, and I'm using 1 can of chicken broth. So I'm going to get this in the crock pot, and then I'm going to put it on high until it melts down. And once it has melted down, then I'm going to can it. So let me show you real quick. All right, just gonna cut open my Velveeta here. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour in my chicken broth and my can of rotel tomatoes. Chop that cheese up a little bit. Now I'm gonna wait until it all melts. So it's going to take a couple of hours for this to melt down. In the meantime, I've got lots of dishes to do, so I'll be back when this is melted. And while it's cooking in the crock pot, be sure and stir it every now and then. And if your crock pot cooks too hot, you might want to do it on low instead of high, but mine will be fine on high as long as I'm watching it. It won't burn or scorch or whatever. So come back when your cheese is melted. And once it's melted, just ladle it into jars. Mine's starting to cool off a little bit because we had dinner. I had already done 1 jar. And from here, we're going to water bath it for 20 minutes. Or, if you don't want to do that, just put it in your refrigerator. But I'm putting this on the shelf, so it is going to get a 20-minute water bath. There we go. Just going to wipe my rims real good. I had sterilized these jars in boiling water already, as well as my lids. I feel it is still important to do that when you are water bathing. I know a lot of people are saying it's no longer necessary, but I am not one of them. My lid, my rings finger tight, and now I have 2 to go in the water bath for 20 minutes. And remember to start your timer when you are at a rolling boil, and then do 20 minutes. That's all there is to making and water bath canning queso. I hope that this video was helpful for some of you. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.